Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will explain how a dedicated server will be beneficial for your business. So, let's start the video.
But before I continue with the video, let me tell you that you can purchase our dedicated server by following the process given in the tutorial video. The link is given in the description. Now, back to the video.
Can you say why your website is still running slower in your powerful server? Today's customers absolutely hate three things. The first of them is slow website performance, second is unexpected downtime, and the third one is data security. Our dedicated server will help your business in solving these three problems. So, let's start the video. A dedicated server is beneficial for your business as it gives you access to your hardware requirements. You can adjust your hardware requirements as per your needs. Now, I will tell you why many businesses struggle without a dedicated server. Actually, many businesses use a shared server. Now, shared server is good when your customer base is low, but as your customer base increase, your website load also increases, and this will make your website slower, and as a result, your customers will be unable to access your services. This will create a misunderstanding between you and your customers. So in this case, a dedicated server will be beneficial for your business as you can manage your workload according to your needs. One of the main issues faced by today's companies is unpredictable website performance. Your customers expect that when they visit your website, it will run as soon as possible. But if they see that it is taking a long time in website loading, they leave. It badly affects your customer reputation. Another factor faced by today's companies is unpredictable resource availability. As in a shared environment, many websites run on a server, so your customers face an issue in addressing your website. In this case, our dedicated server will be beneficial in meeting the needs of each of your clients. Another factor which affects today's businesses is data security. As there's been a rise in cyber threats, so data security has become paramount importance for today's organizations. Customers, before deciding in taking a service of a company, check whether the company can ensure that its data security will be strong and its data will remain safe. Also, a dedicated server helps in ensuring the reliability of your business. It ensures that your business runs 24/7 as today's businesses need internet every time. In this stage, I will tell you what is a dedicated server. A dedicated server is a physical server that is allotted only to a single company. It gives you exclusive access to your hardware resources, which ensures that your website runs smoothly. Dedicated servers are used by the companies which handle critical business data such as SaaS platforms, e-commerce platforms, VPN providers, and also the banking institutions. Now, I will tell you how a dedicated server works. At first, the dedicated server provider installs the hardware in a data center. After that, he installs the operating system. You can choose your operating system, whether it is Windows or Linux. In this way, the customer's request first travels to the data center through the internet, and then the requests come to your website. In this way, your customer access your website. Then, security also plays a crucial role on how your dedicated server works. You can set your security policy according to your business needs. You can decide whom to give access, and also you can set up your intrusion detection systems for keeping your data safe. Also, professional data centers gives you continuous internet supply and backup generators. This helps in keeping your data safe in case there is a fall in a hardware component. Now, I will tell you the 5 benefits of a dedicated server. First, it gives you consistent high performance. as your hardware resources are dedicated for your business only. Hence, it do not compete for resources with other users. As a result, your website and your business application will run faster every time. Then, it provides you strong data security. You can set your firewalls and do consistent software updates to keep your data safe. Third, it gives you complete administrative control over your server. You can set your CPU, RAM, and hard drive according to your business needs. Also, it gives you improved reliability and uptime, as there are no external interference on your hardware. Hence, your website will run consistently 24 into 7. Your customers can access your website and do their businesses accordingly. Last, it gives you better scalability for business growth. As your customer base increases, hence you need more storage. As a result, you can increase your storage and other hardware resources according to your business needs. So, these are the 5 benefits of our dedicated server. Now, I will give you some real world examples on where a dedicated server is beneficial. The first example I will give is of an e-commerce website during festive season. As you know, online shopping has become mainstream nowadays. So, there is much pressure in accessing a website during a festive season. If your website run on a shared server, it will not be able to handle the load of a large number of customers. So, in this case, a dedicated server is beneficial for you, as you have total control over your hardware requirements. Hence, you can handle the requests of a large number of customers. As a result, each of your customer can purchase their products smoothly, and your business revenues will also increase. The second example I will give of a financial institution. As you know, security compliance is important for running a financial institutions, as many clients' data security is involved. So in this case, a dedicated server is beneficial, as a dedicated server helps in setting your own security policy, and you can set your intrusion detection system. Hence, it will help you in keeping your client's data safe. The third real-world example I will give is our video streaming platform. As you know, video streaming platform has grown for the past few years. So, a dedicated server is important here. It will help you in handling the requests of a large number of viewers, and they can access your video without any buffering issues. Another real world example I will give is that of a healthcare organization. As you know, most of the healthcare organizations nowadays control their electronic records and keep appointments with their patients online. Hence, a dedicated server is crucial here. It will keep your server running 24 into 7 and maintain the communication with their patients every time. The last real world example I will give is that of a digital marketing agency. As you know, a digital marketing agency has to promote their products every time. So, internet is important 24 into 7. Our dedicated server will give you access to your hardware requirements, and it will help in keeping your server running every time. In this way, you can promote your products without facing any obstacles in your internet connectivity. So, these are some of the real world examples on why our dedicated server will benefit your business. So, let's recap what we have learned in this video. In this video, we have learned what is a dedicated server and what are the 5 benefits of a dedicated server. We have also given some real world examples on where a dedicated server will be beneficial. So, what are you waiting for? Send an email to sales@hostingalso.com and order your dedicated server today. If you have learned something new from this video, give a like and subscribe to our channel. Till then, goodbye and wait for our next video.
Thank you for watching this video. If you need any help, contact us. sales@hostingultraso.com.